Hi beautiful family, welcome and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll show you how to mix blue sea Vaseline and ginger for faster hair growth and also healthy hair and keep your hair long time moisturized. So if this video sound like what are interesting, keep on watching. Without further ado, let's dive into today's video. This is my blue sea Vaseline and my ginger. I'll be making use of fresh ginger. I've already washed the ginger thoroughly. So next thing now, I will grab this grater to start grating it. Okay, I like using the peel of my ginger also. I don't like peeling off the skin of the ginger because the skin of the ginger also have its own good benefits on your hair also. So after grating it, so this is what I got so far. So next thing now, I'll grab this plate to transfer the ginger into it. So next thing is my blue sea Vaseline. I'll be making use of 1.5 tablespoon of blue sea Vaseline. If you want more large quantity, you can increase the measurement. Okay, so if you are projecting your blue sea Vaseline, make sure that is original one, and also make sure that you check the expiring dates before you project it, so that you not buy expiring dates of blue sea Vaseline. So after putting 1.5 tablespoon of my blue sea Vaseline, next thing is coconut oil. So this coconut oil I'm making use of is homemade coconut oil. I make it on the channel, so the video is on the channel. Please feel free to check it out. So I mix it thoroughly. After mixing it, my water is already on fire boiling, so I transfer it into the hot water. Okay, so once I transfer it, I lower the light very well. So this is the only way you can infuse this, by double boiling method. Okay, but while infusing it, make sure that your light is very low flame, because if the light is too high, it will kill the nutrients of this ingredient. Okay, so use it in a very low flame light. So I'll keep on stirring it time to time. I'll keep on stirring it. Once this ginger has start separating from the Vaseline and the oil, you will see it have separated itself, means it's ready. So this total of infusion of this is 20 minutes. Okay, so once it's ready, I bring it down. Immediately I grab my beaker, my container, and also my stockings. So you can use your wig cap. Make sure that you strain this once it's hot, because if you allow it to cool down, it will going to be solidify, which means it will not be easy for you to strain out. So the best way to use it is once it's hot, so that you can get it. Okay, so but please be very careful while using it, because for you not to burn your hands. Okay, because at this point it's very hot, but just be very careful, avoid you burning your hands. Okay, so after straining it, this is what I got so far. This is the amount of the pomade I got so far. I will cover it up and allow it to solidify. Okay, I do not put this in refrigerator or anywhere. I just keep it in the top of my cabinet and allow it to solidify itself. It did not take much time to solidify. Okay, so next thing now is the residues. I will pour in hot water to infuse the residues, but the thing refused to infuse while inside the stocking. So I don't have any other option than to pour it into the plate, so that it can infuse. Okay, because if it's a powder form, it will infuse in that method, but because of it's not a powder form, it's not easy for it to infuse. So I leave it here for 8 hours. Once it's 8 hours, it have infused very well. So I'll grab another plate to collect my shift rate. Okay, so I use this shifter to collect my tea spray. So make sure that you don't use something that is very tiny, so that the particles will not be on your hair. After shifting it, this is what I got. This is the herbal tea I've got so far. So I'll be using this to hydrate my hair first before I apply the pomade on my hair. Okay, so this is how my hair is. My hair is in cornrow. Okay, so whether your hair is protective hairstyle or not, before you apply this on your hair, before you apply the pomade on your hair, please use something to hydrate your hair. You can use this method I use now, or you can use plain water or any of your herbal tea you have at home. Use it, first of all, use it to hydrate your hair first before you follow up applying the pomade on your hair. For you to get best result, make sure that your hair is hydrated first before you follow up with the pomade. Okay, don't use the pomade on your hair while your hair is dry. Please do not do that, because it will just be on top of your hair. It will not going to do what it's supposed to do. It cannot penetrate into your hair, so it just be on top of your hair and causing build up on your hair. If today is your first time stopping by in the channel, welcome and thank you for stopping by to watch my video. Please do not make it your last. Please join this beautiful family by subscribing. In this channel, I teach how to grow your hair with DIY home remedies, longer, fuller and healthy. I myself am also into the journey, so join this family so that we can grow our hair together and also grow the channel together. Welcome into the family, and please, once you subscribe, make sure you turn on your post notification bell so that YouTube can notify you whenever I upload a new video. Welcome into this family. My returning subscribers, I love you guys so much. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos, and also thank you for your engaging. I love you guys so much. Please like this video, share this video, and also leave a comment in comment section below. This is how the hair pomade is. It did not take time. Before the 8 hours infusion of my hair, infusion of the herbal tea, it already solidified, so it did not take time to solidify. Please do not put this in your refrigerator. Okay, leave it in your cabinet or wherever that is a cool dark place. It will solidify by itself. So the smell smells so nice, it smells so lovely. Okay, so I applied that on my scalp and also on the strands of my hair. Whether your hair is protective hairstyle or not, make use of this. Okay, use it on your hair, use it to moisturize your hair. It will keep your hair very long time moisturized. Honestly speaking, this particular hair pomade, you will definitely love it. You will never run out of this hair pomade, because the effective once you apply it on your hair, you're going to see the effective on your hair is very lovely. It helps to stimulate blood circulation to your scalp. Let's talk about the benefits of ginger on your hair. Ginger help improve the circulation of the scalp, stimulates each hair follicles, promotes longer and strong hair, control dandruff, strengthen hair, prevent hair fall, stimulate hair growth, condition your hair, prevent premature graying, prevent hair fall, and also contribute to restore moisture loss to your hair. So there's so many other benefits you can get in using this pomade on your hair. It also helps to keep your hair long time moisturized. The coconut oil itself is also help to grow hair, also help to moisturize your hair. So in that coconut aspect, if you don't have coconut oil, use any oil of your choice. Okay, so after applying this on your hair, to activate it more, make sure you use something to massage your scalp. You can use your massaging scalp, or you can use your hand to massage your scalp. And if you are using your hand to massage your scalp, please try to be gentle so that you not yank your hair, so that you not cause damage on your hair while you are massaging your scalp. If you massage your scalp in a right technique, definitely you're going to love scalp massage. But if you are massaging your scalp in a wrong technique, you will see like it will be like scalp massage is not working. So if you have watched this video up to this point and you have not given me thumbs up, please click on that like button to help me to grow the channel. Please also subscribe to the channel. Let's grow the channel together and also grow our hair together. And also please share this video to your family and friends, and also let me know your thoughts in comment section below. Let me know, are you going to try this or have you tried before? This will be closing today's video. I love you guys so much, but God love you more. See you guys in my next video. Remain blessed out there. Bye.